Hi guys, I'm Frida with WTI, and I don't think I'm ever going to run out of this black fly larva from Hatortempt. So this is my chicken's absolute favorite thing in the entire world. You guys have probably heard of dried mealworms, which are amazing. My chickens love them. Something about this dried black fly larva though is just, they go crazy. They're more substantial, they're a little bit bigger when you compare them side by side with the dried mealworms. This may sound weird to say, but they smell good. And my favorite part of all is the fact that they're dried. So I'm not sticking my hand in a gross bucket of fly larvae and having to worry about it. The bag is resealable, so it keeps them super fresh. You can hear my chickens, they're so excited right now. I put the bag down to set up my camera to start recording, and they started pecking at the front of the bag because they knew exactly what they were about to get. I like to give this to them as a treat. I like to give it to them to encourage them to come inside their coop at night. I also like to just add them to their regular feed because it's so packed full of protein. These have a really good amount of not only protein, but that fat that the chickens need. If you guys haven't had backyard chickens, there is a definite flavor difference depending on what you feed them. It keeps the hens happy, which I really think has a lot to do with the flavor of the eggs that I have happy hens. If you want to give something like this a try, I definitely recommend these from Hatortempt, and go ahead and get the giant bag. Your chickens are going to absolutely love them. The resealable keeps them nice and fresh. I haven't had any go bad, and what I really like most is when they're dried, even though this is a 10-pound bag, each of the mealworms is light enough that they're not crushing the ones underneath, so they get those nice full mealworms, and I don't feel like I'm wasting anything. If you're looking for something to boost your chickens' protein and fat and just make them a little bit happier, definitely get some black soldier fly larvae from Hatortempt. And that's my point of view.